fun to play when I was young. Now this is my type of playing. This is my grown-up playing.
I know, I like pee-pee too.
Good.
Especially now.
This is a fun place, huh?
I know.
And so many nice people. We get to see our friends.